Okay, babe.
What you making, hon?
We're going to try making...
Hey, what you doing with my beer?
No, this is for the corned beef and cabbage.
Oh, okay.
We're going to try making corned beef and cabbage in the Dutch oven over the fire.
Cool.
We'll see how it goes. And we'll see how long it takes.
See if we starve to death?
What time is it? 4:16?
Is that home time or local time?
Local time.
Okay.
3:16 our time.
Okay.
So, I guess I better get it started. Huh.
Do you need a cutting board?
Nah, I'll just use the potato package.
There's something on that side there, too. They'll burn off.
Yeah. What we are going to have to be careful about is this. Getting this out in here and then getting this in here. There's a spice packet in here too.
Do you need that?
I may, let me see first. The spice packet. Blech. Blech. Tim's like, ew. I'll put it back in here. Maybe I'll put it back in here. That would probably be a good idea. I didn't think to grab any paper towel or anything either.
You need me to get some?
Yeah, probably. I mean, you can or I can. One of us can. But since I'm not moving, I guess that means you. Tim's like, yeah.
Understood.
Understood. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
Corned beef goo. Okay. Goes in here. Okay. Okay. Ready?
I don't know, is it?
Yeah, I'm not going to put the cabbage in until later because it doesn't take that long to cook.
Watch out for the smoke.
Okay.
God, you touched the raw meat.
So I still got to put the cabbage in there too. Let it cook a little bit longer and then put the cabbage in. Looks good. Just gotta cook the cabbage.
It's like 6:15.
Here.
Yeah, here.
5:15 our time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you starving? It's your dinner time.
No, I'm just saying because you had said when you started the video.
Oh, how long is it going to take?
taking.
So it's been 2 hours. It may be another hour.
See, I'm not being a smartass. I'm being helpful.
Oh, okay. I thought you were being a smartass.
You recording?
Yep. Oh, yep. Cabbage is done. I think it's probably done. I don't know. Have to go get a hot pad, a towel to get it off of there, set it down here. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Oh, set that. You're so smart. Look at you. Oh, don't know if I recorded actually serving it out of the pan.
It's a new camera.
But it's good.
The camera or the corned beef?
Oh, the camera's good. Corned beef is good too. Cabbage and potatoes. Tim's almost ate all his already. Do you want some more?
No, it looks like too much of a fight to get those potatoes out of there.
No, that's just because I don't want to dirty the spoon.
Mmm.
You're fine. I just wanted to see that. So that's what's left, although there may not be any potatoes left. So we're going to save the corned beef for either sandwiches or corned beef hash or something.